Hi, I'm Ulla Rannut from the Integration Research Institute, and I'm the author of Integration Programs in Estonia. Today, I'd like to introduce you our new Estonian language A-course for beginners. This is a new A-course containing 16 lessons for beginners, which is available for you 24/7 wherever you are. You can visit these lessons several times according to your needs and learning abilities. It is a new low-cost course which contains 16 lessons covering most important topics for newcomers in Estonia. How to introduce yourself and your family, how to describe yourself, age, body parts, hairs, clothes, shoes, job and profession, how to conduct a small conversation about calendar, seasons, weather, dates, time and schedule, how to arrange appointments, buy tickets, how to ask and give directions about transportations, how to take or call a taxi, about money, shopping and eating out. Each lesson includes worksheets, video and audio tasks, exercises and feedback, and supplementary materials such as articles, links, videos concerning Estonian society, language and culture.
Tere! Kuhu te sõita soovite?
Tere, Tallinna lennujaama palun. Today's topic is transportation. Kuidas sa tööle lähed? How do you go to work? Tallink takso kuuleb.
Tere! Ma sooviksin taksot tellida.
Ja mis aadress on? Here we acquire our first conversation skills and basic phrases we need to conduct a conversation. The main emphasis is on the conversation skills to help you to express yourself.
Kaks kooki.
Mina võtaksin šokolaadikuuli.
Ja mina võtaksin selle marjakuuli. Kas tuleb midagi juua ka?
Mina võtaksin ühe tee.
Ja minul üks kook.
And the last topic is about your feelings. We ask, how are you doing in Estonia? We learn to tell what makes us happy. And finally, we get to know our Prime Minister and First Lady a little bit more and find out what Estonians like to do. I hope that you enjoyed this introduction and welcome to our A-course for beginners.